Labanan ng Pop Cola at ng Santa Lucia yata, di ba? Sa Nawag, bukas.
Magandang laban yun, partner. No? Pop Cola, of course, has generated a lot of interest and following
yes.
because yung pagpasok nila Poch Wino at of course Johnny Abarientos.
Yes. Samantala mga kaibigan, na ibaba na naman ang kalamangan ng Batang Red Bull Thunder down to 4 at 32-28. Here's Davon Harp against Chris Jackson. Nilabas kay Kirby Raimundo, open shot for him. Hindi pumasok. And Chris Jackson gets to it.
Still 0. Ito si Jerry Esplana is now starting for Shell. So he's taken over the spot of Dale Singson to open the second half.
Mark Daland against Kirby Raimundo. Napalakas. And rebound to Edmund Reyes. Ito na naman si Agustin. Crossover. Ooh! At Kirby Raimundo ay inagawa ni Mark Daland.
It's 3-on-2.
Tumuloy na. Nako, siya pa rin nakakuha ng rebound. Ayaw pa rin.
What a terrible shot, partner. Two terrible shots by Mark Daland. 3-on-2 fast break. He wasn't able to finish. Nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Ano yun?
Si Agustin, may dinaramdam yata. Parang,
that's not a good sign.
Ano yan? Ankle ba yan? O tuhod? O... Ayan, lumapit si Dr. John Lim. Ayan, umiika-ika eh.
Tsaka yung kanilang physical therapist.
Ayan, si Dr. Lim ang umaalalay dito kay Ato.
Nako, he's limping.
Oo, umiika-ika eh. Hindi natin nakita kung ano nangyari doon. Could have been in a rebound situation, no? Sayang, no?
Kaya nung nakagawan siya, I think he might have break badly, no? Yun.
Dito siguro.
He'll go down, partner. He'll go down. He lost his footing. Aray.
Yun, na-twist siguro yan eh. Maaga pa ho, no? Only in the second minute of the third quarter.
And of course, Agustin, what a hot start kanina. Nag-8 points si Ato Agustin, all in the first quarter.
And the lead of Batang Red Bull is only 4. Here's Kirby. Natapikan. Harp misses. Harp tries to get it back. That one is Jerry Esplana. Esplana in the front court. Chasing Davon Harp. Inside pass to Mark Talan. And recovered by Talan out to Wainwright.
Hindi maka-finish sa fast break itong Shell, ano?
Mabilis silang baba kasi sa depensa ng Red Bull, eh. Ito si Jerry Esplana. Esplana, hindi maka-baseline, but he puts it up anyway. Miller. Sumasagit si Willie Miller. Off to Luel Briones. Ito si Briones, maganda rin umpisa nito kanina, pero nagkaroon ng foul trouble din eh. Davon Harp. Edmund Reyes, nag-alangan inside to Kirby. Raimundo. Nabitawan pa yun, ha?
Sa wakas, that's his first 2 points. Ito, nagmamadali naman ng Shell.
And it is back to a 6-point lead for the Thunder. Oops. Foul on Miller.
Willie. Will of the Wisp. That is Jerry Esplana, one of the best guards in posting up.
Second personal on Miller. Esplana. Jackson, back to Jerry. Nako, nakipagtaguan si Willie Miller doon kay Chris Jackson. Hindi nila nakita si Jerry Esplana.
Ang laki naman ng pick. What a pick set by Chris Jackson. Stonewall pick. Stonewall Jackson.
And the lead down again to 4, 34-30. Kirby Raimundo looking at Davon. 3-second violation of Davon Harp. Kanina ba niya hinihingi yung bola eh? Hindi dumating-dating sa kanya.
Kasi maganda ng depensa ni Chris Jackson.
Talagang...
He was defending him on top, partner, no? Denying possession.
Hindi makarating sa kanya yung bola eh. 9 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Nasa third quarter po tayo na laban ng ito ng Shell at Red Bull. Here's De La Cruz. He started off for Shell kanina pero sandali lang yata ito eh. Wala masyado nangyari sa kanyang laro. And a traveling violation is going to be called on Jerry Esplana as he got off balance there.
Ito si Esplana, partner, siya na nagiging number 1 offensive option ng Shell, no? They want him to post up or at least drive against Willie Miller, no? To take advantage of the mismatch.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga taga-subaybay sa buong Pilipinas, ang inyong mga lingkod. Ed Pixon po lamang kasama si Ganito Henson para sa Via Vintage Television. As you look at Kirby Raimundo struggling to control the leather. Wala makita. Inabot kay Luel Briones. Wala. Edmund Reyes nabitawan. And Jenny Esplana recovers it for Shell. Off to Rob Wainwright. Hinahabol ni Miller. Wainwright puts it up. Wala. At the top, weak na naman si Willie Miller. Coming out of the fray. 3-on-3. Miller. Sabi niya, teka, yun si Harp. Inside, nilabas kay Raimundo nag-alangan. Raimundo puts it up. Wala pa rin. Rebound scramble. Briones taps it. Dapat na kay De La Cruz. Here's Jackson. Lowell Briones at full speed. Hey! Pinakain ng bola ni Magdalena na Super Volcasil Tapal. Ang lamang po ng batang Red Bull Thunder, 4 na puntos at 34-30. Low post play for Miller. Medyo kinabayan ng konti ni Jerry Esplana. Tatawagan siya ng foul.
Payback time, partner. Si Willie Miller naman ang pumapost. And Esplana collecting the foul.
His second.
But he's done a good job defensively. Ito si Jerry. Coming off the bench kanina.
Siya nga pala nung ating unang laro kanina, nagwagi yung Barangay Ginebra over Tanduay. The score there, 87-76. But it was much closer than that, actually. Uy, give and go play. Broken up.
Unti-unti, nababawasan ng shot clock itong Red Bull because of the tight shell defense. And partner, in this combination, wala pa nga si na June Marsan at saka Jojo Lim. Wala rin si Benji Paras.
Willie Miller, nagbintis, and Jackson all around for the rebound, and he brings it up. Uy! Masyado malakas.
Talagang hindi nila ma-finish. They've been trying to score in transition, partner. Baka mali yung kombinasyon.
At that time, yung pasa talagang way ahead. So napako tayo dito sa 34 kontra 30. Lamang po ang batang Red Bull. And they have to say, yun! Kevin Raimundo! Hinabol na ni Mark Dalan.
Ang gamble na ni Mark Dalan, partner, was to try to deflect the ball on the entry pass. And once he missed, wala na. He lost the gamble because wala nang help defense sa likod. Walang weak side there.
Coach Perry Ronquillo giving Mark Dalan some tips there. So paano i-cover. Samantala, Kirby Raimundo at the line. Sweet na sweet. Free throw na yun. 35-30 is the count. 5-point lead para sa batang Red Bull Thunder. Wala yung pangalawa, and De La Cruz with the rebound. Ang pinakamalaking kalamangan dito kanina ay 9 points. Kinala po yan ng batang Red Bull Thunder. Shell has not had a taste of the lead so far in this game. Wainwright! Ganda naman, ang ganda. Yung iwas na yun ni Rob Wainwright.
Very athletic move on his part. Ito si Miller, noko, out of control.
And the shot block story, Kinito, those stats brought to you by Quick Time All-in-One Glue Technology by Loctite. Si Lowell Briones talagang yes. Ito naman, si De La Cruz. Let's see what he can do. Oh, yun!
That's two pointers.
A PLDT long distance shot for only 40 cents a minute. Call any country, anytime on any PLDT phones through PLDT IDD. Ito naman si Briones. Raimundo at the post.
That's a nice move. Hindi na pumasok.
Yeah, Briones gets it back. Fresh 24-second shot clock. On the run, Briones misses. Tipped on by Raimundo. Wala help trying to get it back. And Briones picks it up para sa batang Red Bull Thunder. Rui, tight pass. Here's Devon Harp. Inside. Briones is blocked.
But foul.
May foul. Rob Wainwright had a big piece of that ball, actually.
Briones was instrumental in that play.
Oh, yeah.
He was all over the floor.
Samantala, second personal on Rob Wainwright. 37-35. Just a 2-point lead by batang Red Bull Thunder. We have it.
Player of the week of the as chosen by the PBA press
score
last week. And a well-deserved honor for Lowell Briones.
Talaga namang malaking bagay yung ginawa niya. With the absence of Nick Pinisi.
Exactly. Siya naging spark plug dito ng Red Bull. Of course, Red Bull has won 5 of its last 6 games. Ito naman Shell has won 4 of its last 5.
Maganda rin ang pinakikita.
Oho!
Kanina po ay naglaro si Benji Paras, ano? Pero hindi masyadong matagal dahil siguro he's just trying to get his basketball legs back.
Ito si Mark Talan. Medyo nagkalat dito sa third quarter. Couldn't finish the fast break. At ito si Benji Paras. Well, we noticed that he was huffing and puffing the first half. I don't think Coach Sherry Ronquillo wants to give him too many minutes to overextend him.
Kirby Raimundo picked up the foul. At pangatlo na yata ito ni Rob Wainwright. Yes, that's foul number 3 on Wainwright.
And I'm wondering kung babalik ni Coach Sherry Ronquillo si Benji Paras dito.
Oo, well, depende siguro sa kondisyon talaga ni Benji, no? They would know better. So, nakita natin, actually, yung unang hawak ni Benji ng bola, pumasok agad yung tira, di ba?
Oo.
Pero after that, nakita nga natin, medyo he was struggling a bit.
So, si Benji Paras, deep in thought.
Oo. Kirby Raimundo at the line. They're up by 4. Makes it 5. 40-35 in a low-scoring ball game as anticipated. Dahil pareho pong nagko-concentrate sa depensa itong dalawang kupunang ito. But hindi po sa depensa itong dalawang teams na ito. Hindi pala, sinasabi pa lang natin, pinapal ka agad ni Davon Harp yung bola. Ito na si Noel Briones. Zooming into the front court. Pull-up jump. Ay, nararamdaman niya. Nasa likod si Wainwright. Raimundo. Reyes. Here's Miller. Miller at the baseline. Briones is open. Yes! Ganda nung ginawang yun ni Willie Miller. Dahil maraming beses na niyang sinasaktan ito siya sa ilalim. So kumulong sa kanya yung mga yung depensa. Alam niya may manilibre.
And all at the same time, partner, ito si Miller knew that Briones was going to get himself open.
Right.
One of the best players, partner, who moves without the ball. Ito si Briones. That's why he gets free.
Oy, samantala naman, iniwanan ni Jerry Esplana si Willie Miller. Sabi ni Jerry siguro, you were talking about Miller? Remember me? Esplana cuts the lead down to 5 again at 42-37. Narito si Edmund Reyes. Pasa kay Miller. Cross court. Kirby Raimundo. Traveling.
He knew it. Ito si Marsan. Checking in now for De La Cruz. De La Cruz with 6 points. 2 3-point shots.
4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining dito po sa ating third period. Still a 5-point lead by Batang Red Bull. Esplana! Yes! Back-to-back hits by Jerry Esplana. At hindi na naman ang ginagawa nito si Jerry Esplana. Si Dale Singson po na sideline because of 4 personal fouls kanina pa. At si Jerry Esplana naman, pinakikita niya na dapat lang na siya yung ace point guard ng Shell Turbochargers.
Ito na naman si Davon Harp missing on his jump hook using the left hand. Now, si Jun Marsan, partner, pinasok na ni Coach Perry Ronquillo to play defense on Briones. No? Briones has been hurting Shell, particularly dito sa quarter na to because Shell came very close to even tying the score. No? They were down by just 2.
That's right.
It was the third period. But it has been Briones who's been dousing the rally.
Nako, ito si Harp. Nakakailang free throw na ba ito?
Marami na namintis ni
at least 4 or 5.
Harp. And Harp is shooting 59.3% from the line.
Well, he splits in that particular instance. At ang lamang ng Batang Red Bull back up to 4 at 43-39. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in the third quarter. At mukhang meron na namang illegal defense na tatawagin.
At pinuro yun ni Chris Jackson.
Technical foul by the Red Bull Thunder for illegal defense.
Help to my friends.
Ano mo, that's very sharp, very intelligent of
Dapat
Chris
lang,
Jackson.
dapat.
He was bringing up the ball very slowly. Pero yung nakita niya, ito si Kirby Raimundo, was medyo loitering in the shaded area. Binilisan niya yung laro just to be able to point out, to set up the play para makita ng referee kaagad. Kundi baka hindi na matawagan at saka makapag-recover ito si Kirby Raimundo. So, very intelligent play on the part of Chris Jackson. Every point counts, every point counts.
Siyempre. Especially in a tight game such as this. Kanina naman si Davon Harp organized a powwow of sorts. Yung sa Batang Red Bull sa midcourt habang nag-free throw. Chris Jackson natapikan. Jackson. Wala pa rin. And here comes Joe back. Oh, inabot na ng 24 seconds shot clock. Sabagay, hindi rin mo pumasok.
Oo. Wouldn't have counted.
43-40, 3-point lead para sa Batang Red Bull Thunder. somehow, itong Shell Turbochargers kanito have managed to just, stay around sa coattails nitong batang Red Bull Thunder.
Oh, it's a very, very low scoring game.
Ito na naman si Briones.
Oops! Tatawa ko ng offensive foul. Pang-apat yan, yes. And Lowell Briones.
He's affected by the defense of Marsan, partner.
Medyo
Quite definitely.
nakukulitan siya.
Oo.
Si Ato Agustin nga pala, bumalik na, no? So,
that's good news, partner. No? Because earlier he had to be lifted off the floor because of an apparent strain. Pero mukhang no problem.
Way back. Wainwright with the offensive rebound. They've got a press 24-second shot clock. Kaya sumisenya si Coach Ferry Ronquillo. Relax. Here's steal by Briones. Esplana has it. Esplana pumihit. Uy! And Esplana with the tap. Pero nakuha ni Devon Hart. Here's Lowell Briones. Hand off to Hart. Yes!
And again, partner, ito si Briones. Creating the situation. No.
Palobo pero hindi pumasok, and Raymundo with the rebound. Here comes Willie Miller. Talk about exciting. Parang easy naman yung ginawa na yun na nakakita kay Lowell Briones sa ilalim. Sabi ni Hap, yan, manos tayo, quits.
At sabi naman ni Coach Ferry Ronquillo, Marsan, nasaan ka? Akala ko. Defensive base ka dito.
Kanina, 3 puntos na lang nag-iwalay sa 2 kupulang ito. Kinito, ngayon biglang lumubo na naman. 7 na naman, 47-40. A minute and a half remaining in the third.
Briones is really killing Shell.
In so many ways, no?
Hey,
Jackson! Whoa! Sapal Bulcasil. Jun Marsan, nagkukumahog. Napulit na ulit. Esplana. Ito sa Esplana, medyo gumagana yung mga tira niya sa labas. Tira natin, binabantay sa ni Willie Miller. Binibigyan ng pick ni Chris Jackson. Esplana inside! Uy, naku. Ayaw pa rin. Oops! Hap to Agustin. Agustin Porchera. Pumasok pa rin! Tira ka lahon! Pumasok pa rin ito, Agustin! At nagpapamadyak si Devon Hart. Sus, Ginoo. 49-40, 9-point lead by Batang Red Bull Thunder. And we have a timeout by Shell, the Shell Turbochargers. It is now a 9-point lead by Batang Red Bull Thunder with less than a minute to go. Dito po sa ating third period, 49-40. Narito si Jun Marsan. Binigay kay Chris Jackson. Jackson na binigyan tumira. Wala. Devon Hart high for that rebound. Jay Mendoza's back in the game. Whoops! Ay, offensive foul ang tinawag kay Jay Mendoza. Medyo nag-alangan siya ron eh.
Hindi niya malaman kung ipapasa niya, ititira niya.
20 segundos na lang ang nalalabi dito sa ating third period. Rob Wainwright against Devon Hart offline and short. Jay Mendoza humaharurot na naman. Diba? Narito si Al Solis.
Very quietly slipping in.
Hart. Offensive foul na naman yan. Referee De Dios calling it on Devon Hart.
Yan yung post defense ni Chris Jackson. Kanina nakita natin Rob Wainwright taking an ill-advised jump shot over the outstretched arm of Devon Hart. You don't do that, partner. You drive against Hart if you're from the outside, but you don't try to shoot a jump shot over him because mahaba masyado ito si Devon Hart. Si Dale Simpson, pinapit na lang yung bola. Was that the play?
1.9 seconds lang. Final scores were Shell and Batang Red Bull. To those stats brought to you by QuickTime, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Lamang po ng siyam ang Batang Red Bull Thunder as we start the fourth quarter. And here's Dale Singson. The pass to Chris Jackson.
Medyo nagpa-pacing yung dalawang coach dito, partner. Jerry Esplano played an entire third period, not starting here in the fourth period. At saka si Lowell Briones, who played an excellent third quarter. Wala rito, no? To start the fourth period.
Samantala, pacing. Magandang play sana yun ng Batang Red Bull Thunder pero hindi nakascore sa ilalim si Devon Hart.
Dale Simpson, partner, for someone who has scored back-to-back 21-point games. Dito in this game, he's only got 1 point yata, no? Scored in that technical free throw. Hindi tayo nagkakamali. Ilan ba?
Tama. 1 point.
Only 1 point. That was his only point so far.
Oy, tumira si Alsolis.
Aha.
So, Junti Valenzuela
May
is
foul yun.
fouled. Oh, tatlo yung nagbabantay sa kanya rin sa loob eh.
Number 5.
Alam mo, kakaiba yung kumpiyansa pinakikita nitong batang Red Bull Thunder. At ang pang-apat ni Rob Wainwright.
Well, especially in second chance points, no? 8-0 ang lamang ng Red Bull in terms of second chance points ng first half. But here, you have a situation where Junti Valenzuela picked up the offensive rebound.
Samantala, ito si Rob Wainwright. Pagpapahingahin sandali ni Coach Perry Ronquillo. Binalik si Jojo Lim. Babad din ito si Wainwright eh.
Oo, babad na babad.
Oh.
At saka si Chris Jackson din,
Oo.
as well as Jerry Esplana. So, konting pacing here for Wainwright and Esplana in the fourth period.
Oh, 10 na ang lamang ng batang Red Bull Thunder. This is the biggest lead. Some pressure being applied here by the Thunder.
Well, again, the shooting percentage of Shell is terrible, no? Although pumasok ko tiro ni Chris Jackson, I think that's just his first 2 points.
Yes,
Sa
that's
larong ito.
correct. First 2 points to Chris Jackson. Then got it to roll in. Wanted to attack the defense of Junti Valenzuela. No? He gives up a lot in height and heft to
Now-
Chris Jackson.
Now for Shell velocity in this game so far, they're shooting less than 30%. So that's way below yung objective ng Red Bull, which is to hold them down to even less than 40. But they're shooting less than 30.
So mahirap talagang, well, siguro, kahit sino kalaban mo, if you're shooting less than 30, mahirapan ka talaga manalo dyan.
In the third period, Shell scored or hit 23% from the floor, and Red Bull dominated the rebounds also in that quarter, 16-9.
And in the first half, I believe it was only 29.
30 to 20. So a 10 rebound difference ng first half. Ito
Yeah,
makikita natin yung sinasabi natin.
40 to 23. So those stats brought to you by QuickTite, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. Nako. Yan, kailangan. Sabi mo nga, every point counts, no? Lalo na pagka ganito naghahabol ka. We're in the second minute of the fourth quarter. Dale Singson.
Well, kasama nila, actually, itong Red Bull has also floundered in terms of turnovers. They had 22 turnovers at the end of 3 quarters. But hindi nakakapag-capitalize with Shell because Shell is just playing or shooting so poorly because of Red Bull's defense.
At saka yung mga fast break nila, hindi mangyari. Ito na si Kirby Raimundo, right underneath, wala. And Mark Talan gets the rebound. Oh. Here's Dale Singson. Rayback. Wait, nalibre.
Wide open.
Oo, kailangan may pasok talaga yun. Ito,
4 na lang.
4 na lang. Ang lamang ng batang Red Bull Thunder at Coach Yang Giao has just called on Davon Hart, but can't keep him on the bench too long. Ato Agustin.
I think neither can he keep Lowell Briones on the bench too long, as well as Willie Miller. Pero yan yung finishing combination ni Coach Yang Giao. So you can expect Miller and Briones to come back in.
Ito yung pasa kay Rayback na libre. That slow-mo action brought to you by Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Ito, si Ato Agustin. Alam naman natin yan, kahit saan team mapunta yan, pagka mga ganyang free throw situations, siya talagang pinapupunta riyan. Hindi, may spray no?
Oh. Well, sayang na sayang yun, no? Because ito, naghahabol na ang Shell. Red Bull needing a little bit of a cushion.
Kirby Raimundo, hinahamon ni Mark Talan. Here's Davon Hart against Jackson. Hart inside, nilabas ni Junti. Back to Davon Hart looking at the shot clock. Malayo pa yan eh. From his comfort zone. No? Here comes Dale Singson, inaabangan ni Al Solis. Singson, pumasok with a foul and one. Barreling drive there by Dale Singson. Coach Yang Giao hoping for an offensive foul. No such luck. Ito, nakikita po ninyo yung galaw na yan ni Dale Singson. He got the block from the blocking foul from Al Solis. The slow-mo action brought to you by Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Alalahanin po natin, hindi pa nakakatikim ng kalamangan itong Shell in the entire ball game. Pero ngayon, isa na lang ang lamang ng batang Red Bull Thunder. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the final quarter.
The big shift, partner, is Shell is beginning to find the basket now.
Ooh,
Here's the
very good.
Oh, that's a big basket. partner.
Junti
Clutch
Valenzuela.
shot yun. Clutch
Oo.
shot. Again, Red Bull going to the wingman for the points.
Chris Jackson nagdala ng bola para sa Shell Turbocharger. Si Benji Paras po naglaro kaninang first half pero sandali lamang. Mukhang hindi pa 100% si Benji. Dale Singson missed the shot. Ball goes out of bounds in favor of the Thunder.
For Al Solis.
Willie Miller comes back for Al Solis.
Yan, unti-unti. Coach Yang Giao is going to bring back his big guns, no? Briones is still sitting down. Briones with 4 personal fouls.
Samantala, Agustin to Miller. Hand off to Harp. Harp underneath. Referee De Dios saw a foul there somewhere. Is it on Chris Jackson?
Side
Hindi,
back
si
yun.
Rayback.
Rayback.
No.
His first foul.
First personal on Michael Rayback. At
Ito si Lowell Briones na sinasabi natin.
12 points na yan.
Expect him to check back in before this game is over.
Pull-up jumper by Willie Miller. And Mark Talan goes up for the rebound. Here's Dale Singson together with Jojo Lim on the other side. Pero ang bilis talaga ng transition defense ng
Yes.
Red Bull Thunder. Singson trying to get around Ato Agustin, and Agustin will give up the foul. Meron pa tayo 7 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the game. Agustin with his third personal. Samantala si Wainwright, sandali lang ang pahinga.
Mike Rayback.
Si Rayback ang napalitan, partner. They're going to go with Wainwright's defense and rebounding.
Oo, malaking bagay yan.
But Rayback, partner, good quality minutes. Naka 6 points yata ito si Rayback.
Samantala, Singson. Oh! Total ball kasil by Junti Valenzuela.
Ito, may numbers itong Red Bull to pay off for the 3-point shot.
Davon Harp is right there for the offensive rebound. At Augustin is short, way short. Libre yun eh.
Oo. Partner, mukhang the wheel is turning dito, no? Because yung shooting percentage ng Red Bull is plummeting, whereas the shooting percentage of Shell is rising.
On the rise, Ito si Rob Wainwright.
One-on-one.
A bit of a shuffle. Jojo Lim against Ato Agustin. Hey! Nagawin!
Violation.
Nagtatatalon si Coach Perry Ronquillo. Ramdam na ramdam ko rito. Hindi nila alam. Nasa harap ng bench nila.
Too much time. Ang sabi ni Coach Perry, shoot! Ano ba? Shoot! Alam mo, may tira na si Jojo Lim, no?
Oo.
I think in that situation, though, Wainwright held the ball too long.
3-point lead by Batang Red Bull. Malayo pa ito. 7:03 to go. Ato Agustin. Agustin trying to get around. Merong, illegal. Ano naman?
Illegal yun.
Dalan, nagreklamo ulit.
By number 13, Mike Dillon, a technical foul.
So, technical foul na naman yan. Technical free throw. Tignan natin si Ato Agustin ulit.
Kanina, nagbinti siya, no? But this is where the confidence of the coach comes into the picture, no? You don't want your player to lose confidence.
Pasok na yan.
Pasok yan.
Ikaw kasi.
Ako sumusunod na ako sa iyo, eh.
ba't ka nag-amen?
Ako kasi papasok, eh.
6 minutes and 55 seconds. Ayaw na.
Well, next time that they go for a technical free throw, palagay ko si Junti na ang titira. Here's a
Good
turnover.
steal by Chris Jackson. Ito. Jojo Lim pulls up. Wala! Dale Singson. Nakawagan sa kanil. Willie Miller wins out. And he's fouled from behind by Jojo Lim.
Alam mo, not Jojo Lim's day.
Oh.
That was a wide open shot that he missed.
Usually, kayang-kaya niya
Oh,
yan.
that would have been a big one.
6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining in the ball game. Just a 3-point lead by Batang Red Bull Thunder.
Yeah, partner, kanina nakita natin another Red Bull turnover. And that has been the big problem ng Thunder, no? Yung kanilang turnovers. That has also given Shell the opportunity to come back.
Ano ko, 5 na yan. Panlima ba yan? Panlima yata ito ng Dale Singson. Yes, it's his 5th personal.
Well, not too late to do that. They should have done that actually much earlier. Singson gave Shell a little bit of a boost opening this 4th period. Pero ito, inatake ni Willie Miller yung depensa ni Dale Singson to get him out of the game. 5 na yan for Dale Singson. And of course, Miller, I think, has a big advantage sa kanilang matchup, no? Especially at the post. Masyadong mabilis. Magalaw ito si Miller. Too frisky.
Mabilis na, may katawan pa eh.
Oo.
So, pag nakipagbanggaan ka dyan, medyo manipis-nipis ka. Matindi, para ka bumangga sa wall sa Intramuros. Diba? Ayan, natigalatran yan, yung wall sa Intramuros.
Oo nga.
6:31 to go in the game. And it's a 5-point lead for the Thunder.
Mas si Tony De La Cruz, binalit
Oo.
ni Coach Perry. At si Rayback din.
Ito si Chris Jackson, may dala ng bola para sa Shell Turbo Chargers. Wainwright has the top of the key. Wainwright puts it up. Voila! And Kirby Raymundo comes down with the rebound. Willie Miller. Labang kay Dale Singson, near steal. Miller recovers. Hey! Foul out na si Dale Singson.
Not good by a partner. Si Jerry Esplano was just about to check in to replace him.
Dale Singson, 6-9.
Yun, ang nakapanghihinayang.
And he leaves the game with tayo
15
nagkakamali, only 4 points. He had a 3-point play and 1 free throw and a technical.
That's correct, yeah. 4 points para kay Dale Singson. Junti Valenzuela against Rayback. Oh, nabitawan! Medyo pinilit ni Junti. Just a 5-point lead by Batang Red Bull Thunder. De La Cruz. This is Tony De La Cruz against Tato Agustin.
He hit 2 3-pointers earlier.
Oh, nice kick out to Rayback.
Alam mo, may tira to, ha?
Oh, yes,
He has a nice touch from the outside.
Yes. The lead of Red Bull down to 3.
And it's a wide open look that he got.
5 minutes and 20 seconds to go in the game. Junti Valenzuela. Miller asking for that leather inside. Nilabas kaya to. Agustin, open shot. Wala to. Wala. Loose ball picked up by Rayback. Off to De La Cruz. Big opportunity here para sa Shell Turbo Chargers. Jerry Esplana. With the offensive rebound. A big one there by Tony De La Cruz, and he sees Wainwright. Oh, mababa yung pase. Willie Miller para sa Batang Red Bull Thunder. Waits for his teammates. Cross court to Tato Agustin. Harp is waiting for the pass. Harp against Jackson. Harp looking inside. Oh, traveling.
Again, the defense of Chris Jackson.
Oh, he held his ground.
And this is the right time, partner, for Lowell Briones to check back in. Tama yung timing ni Coach Yeng Giao. Talagang hinintay lang niya. In this situation with 4.5 to go.
Esplana, Rayback against Raymundo. Michael Rayback inching his way closer. This guy hit by Michael Rayback. Meron pala siya nun. And don't look now. It is down to a 1-point lead by Batang Red Bull. Magatukan sa Bicol. Ed Pixon po kasama sa Kinito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Television. Lowell Briones has it against Tony De La Cruz. Briones pa rin. At the corner, 6 seconds on the shot clock. Briones takes it inside. Jones, wala! Esplana for Shell. They're down by only 1 point. Hindi pa po nakakatikip na kalamangan ng Shell sa buong laro.
At kanina binanggit natin itong Shell velocity shooting less than 30%. Partner sa quarter na to, they're shooting an even 50%.
Baba.
Oh, now less than 50%.
Oo, mga 40 na lang.
Oh, that's 6 out of 13 now shooting by Shell dito sa 4th period.
Briones inside to Kirby Raymundo.
Nice naman!
Big pass by Lowell Briones to Kirby Raymundo. Siya nga pala mga kaibigan, at the end of this game, we'll be choosing our Viva Mineral Water Best Player of the Game. Abangan po ninyo yan. 3:13 to go. Back to a 3-point lead by Batang Red Bull Thunder. Rayback! Rayback hits it up. Wala! Eh, bakit tinapik ni Harps palabas? 6 seconds on the shot clock. Esplana! Briones and Wainwright. At last touch on Rob Wainwright.
Hindi sila nakapag-execute, partner, no?
Oh.
2 opportunities for Shell to score. At yung field goal percentage woes nila, naku, bumalik yata.
2 minutes and 51 seconds to go. 3-point lead para sa Batang Red Bull. They have possession. Devon Harp against Jackson. He's in front of the basket. Nabitawan ng bola. Mananatili po yan sa Batang Red Bull Thunder. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds. Lamang pa rin po ng tatlo ang Batang Red Bull Thunder. Nasa penalty ng Shell, while Red Bull has 2 to go.
Ito makikita natin in the last 5 minutes, only 1 field goal.
Dalawa na siguro.
Just 1 field goal. Ito! Wala!
Dabon, half.
Kala!
Oh! May
May
foul.
foul. Sa ilalim. Nasa penalty na Shell.
Number 30, Jerry Islan. Penalty situation.
Actually, dalawa na ang field goal ng ano. Dahil tumiscore si Kane, no? Si Kirby Raimundo kanina. Off the pass by Luel Briones.
Yes, dalawa na.
Dalawa. Dito, na foul. You saw that on our slow-mo action brought to you by Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Ito si Davon Harp. Shooting less than 60% from the line. Marami din ang mintis na rito. This time making sure.
Kung kailan kailangan, ha?
Oo.
58-54. Tato mga higala din ha sa Western Par sa Leyte. Labi na diha sa Baybay, sa Hilongos, sa Hindang, sa Ipakan. Kumusta ka mong tanan? Daghang salamat ni Attorney Arturo Astorga at Bayaw. Labi kayo ang lechon.
Ito naman yung offensive rebound. Galing kay Lowell Briones.
Lowell Briones, matindi ginagawa ngayon. Dito.
As usual, partner. Ito si Hart. Matindi rin ang ginagawa nito. Double-double. Ano yun?
Legal defense.
At ito si Junti Valenzuela nang titira.
Wala na siya ito eh.
Si Briones.
Si Lowell Briones.
Oh, why not?
Pwede. Hindi ko gusto mo ba yung spy wine cooler mo sa akin?
Hindi. Too valuable. 60% shooter from the line. Maraming salamat pala. Kasamang Andy Howe for the spy wine cooler. Itong kaibigan natin, si Paula Taylor.
She's enjoying the game.
English Thai. Model for Agfa. Paborito
Sister
natin
company rin yan ng
yes,
Red Bull.
Motokina. Red Bull.
Uy! Steal by Shell.
Nice deflection.
5-point lead ng Batang Red Bull. Only 2 minutes and 12 seconds to go.
Naku, malayo pa to.
Malayo pa. Marami pa pwede mangyari dito. Valenzuela fronting Wainwright. Pero ito, dumating na yung pasa kay Wainwright. Yun! Sumasok. And we're in the last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Hope, the luxury cigarette.
Na bola.
Hey! Esplana!
Pulot ni Esplana.
Yes! Nabigyan ng foul si Kirby.
Wala pa naman sa penalty itong Red Bull, but they wanted to stop the clock para hindi maka-score ng mabilisan itong Shell. At a good foul by Kirby.
Third personal ng Kirby Raimundo. Dito medyo nagkaroon ng problema. Yun. Pinagulong niya, pero nabitawan naman ni Junti. Nakuha tuloy ni Esplana. 20-second timeout being called here by the Shell Turbo Chargers. Magpahanggang ngayon, mga kaibigan, hindi pa rin po nakakatikim ng kalamangan. Itong 1:32 to go. 3-point lead by Batang Red Bull. Nasa Shell ang bola.
Ito si Reba. He's got
against Kirby.
10 points in the game.
Double team Esplana.
He has to shoot.
Puts it up. Wala. And Davon Harp grabs the rebound para sa Batang Red Bull. 1 minute 13 seconds to go. Willie Miller. Sinesenyas ang play para sa Batang Red Bull Thunder. Out to Davon Harp. Lowell Briones looking at Kirby Raimundo against Rob Wainwright. Raimundo pumihit.
Yes!
Got the foul.
Yeah, big basket.
Kirby Raimundo. Jackson. Nabas ang bola. Binigay kay Jun Marzan. Marzan against Briones. Marzan para binigay ng pick ni Jackson. Inaman kay Jerry Esplana. Nangalaman. Binigay kay Wainwright. Left corner kay Jumbo. Wala. Loose ball. Willie Miller.
Nakakuha.
Hinahabol ni Jun Marzan. Ito, Jun Di Valenzuela. 40 seconds remaining. 5-point lead para ng Batang Red Bull Thunder.
Hindi sila nagpa-foul, partner. They will let the clock wind down.
Wala pa sa penalty itong Shell. Itong Red Bull. Ang Shell pa na sa penalty na.
Turnover yun, partner.
Ba? 30 seconds to go.
Ano yun? Turnover? Yes, it is a turnover.
30 seconds to go. 5-point lead ng Batang Red Bull. Tatawag ng timeout. 30-second timeout itong Shell Turbo Chargers.
Interesting, partner. If Coach Perry is going to go for a 3-point shot, or a quick 2.
Kick out kay Jerry.
Okay, ewan ko lang kung naririnig nila sa kanilang ano, no? Pero tayo hindi natin marinig.
Oo, hindi natin marinig eh. Well, anyway, ang guess ko, partner, is that they're gonna go for a quick 2. Kasi
Okay.
if you go for a 3-point shot at this stage, and if you miss, tapos na ang boxing.
Oo, tapos na.
Oo. Especially if the other side gets the rebound, no? Because you'll then have to foul, tapos lalayo na yung lead.
Oh, wala with the race there, pero nakuha ni Wainwright. Wala pa sa penalty ang Red Bull. Esplana.
Ito yung 2 points, sinasabi
Oh,
natin.
nakuha. 21 seconds to go. Just a 3-point lead.
Now they will foul. They will foul. I think they cannot foul.
Oh,
Ako, yun na.
ito, si Willie
Wala,
Miller.
hindi pa sila
Ayun,
Ayun,
yung
finally
foul.
the foul.
They stopped the clock at 14.6.
Oh, but they took so long to give up the foul.
Hindi nila abutan.
Oh, hindi nila maabutan. But that's also good thinking on the part of Coach Yeng Yao because I'm sure sinabi niya during the timeout sa mga bata niya, kung makashoot sila rito, foul sila. So, spread the floor para hindi sila makabigay ng foul and let's eat up the clock.
It is a 3-point lead for Batang Red Bull with 14.6 seconds to go. Apat na. Cool na cool si Willie Miller.
Oo.
Parang bote ng beer na malamig.
San Miguel Beer. O
Yeah.
kaya San Miguel Light.
Yung
Paborito
San
natin,
Mig Light.
San Mig Light.
Yun, dalawa. To get it to the weekend. Mga kaibigan, sa pakikipagsama sa amin dito po sa ating pagpanonood ng mga laro ng Bayan ng Superstars. This game between Shell and Red Bull has 14.6 seconds left. Pero lamang ng 5 itong Batang Red Bull. Medyo masikip na ito. Too close, or rather too far para sa Shell. Pero tingnan natin. They'll give it a go.
Now they're gonna go for a 3-point shot.
Ayun, sa
Without a
layback.
doubt.
Pero di pumasok kay Willie Miller.
And this is over. This is over.
Lowell Briones.
Naka-score pa sila dito. 15 points for Briones. What an explosive third period for Briones at the time when Shell was threatening.